Okay, we're at day 3. I'm gonna go in the house, see if there's any more birds in there. Okay, here we go. So we're checking out the house. I got my glove on. Grab my broom. Okay. Looks good. I mean, you see all the bird poop and stuff like that. No crazy birds. Oh, look. There's 2 birds right there. Get rid of them. So I'm gonna start opening up the doors. There's a bird right there. Go. Oh, what? Hear one flapping over here. Let's open the door. Try to get them. There's a bird flapping somewhere. Where's he flapping? I don't know where he's at. But okay, we're gonna try to get these birds to fly out of here. Hopefully, see if I need it. They're probably like starving. Is there a bird inside that thing? I hear a bird somewhere. No, no. See, so far I found 4 birds. Try to get these birds to fly out of here. Open this door. Get on those 2. Just grab them. There's that one. Got him. Got the bird. Right? Okay. So I got rid of 2. There was 4. Okay. And let him go. There he goes. Okay. There's another one over here. Where'd he go? Oh, there's one right there. Got him. Got the bird. Dumb birds. Hate these birds. Well, maybe he'll fly. Who knows if he'll fly away. I didn't hurt him. Okay. All right, now try to find that one that's flapping around. Anyway, other than that, it looks good compared to yesterday. So just try to find the remaining birds that are just stragglers. So I think we took care of the problem. So that's good. All right. See you guys. And yeah, that's it. We got rid of all, I don't know, just stragglers, just cleanup time. Clean it up. So we'll see what we get done. All right. See you guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye.